and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a massive makeup haul. I just got back from Ipsy Live in New York City and I brought back a massive suitcase full of makeup. I think it was about 30 pounds, 35 pounds, so it's a lot of makeup. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys what I got in like the Creator Day bag. Basically everything I got from the entire weekend is in this suitcase. So some of it's from the Creator Day bag, some of it is also from just like things brands handed to me or things I bought over the weekend. So if that sounds good, why don't we go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so my sister hooked me up here. She actually put a stool down so I could have the suitcase on the stool so I could show you guys everything. So I held it up for the thumbnail and she kind of held it beneath because it was so heavy. It's literally a suitcase full of makeup, my favorite thing ever. So I just got back, like I said, from the Ipsy event in New York City. So this was called Ipsy Live this year. If you have ever heard of Generation Beauty, it's basically a similar concept where it is just a bunch of makeup brands in one space, and there's fun things to do at like each one of the booths. Then they give you a big bag. If you are a creator or even if you're just a regular general attendee, you get a little bag as well. So bag full of makeup, and then there's little samples and things that you get throughout the event as well. So I got to go. I actually got to stay with some of my friends here on YouTube. I had the best time. So I got a hotel. There were 6 of us in the hotel. So it was myself, Kelly Gooch, which I'm so excited we finally got to meet because I have been watching her channel for a while now, and I've known we lived close, but I didn't realize how close. Like, we only live about an hour from each other, so I'm hoping we can hang out more. She was so nice in person and such a sweetheart. So Kelly Gooch, and then also Miss Ashley Clady. She is currently pregnant as well, so that was really fun to kind of just have that to like bond together, being pregnant and being on, you know, a trip like this. It was just an interesting experience. It was totally a different experience. So that was nice to have her there, and then her little sister was super sweet. She came along too. And then I also met with Samantha March, and she also had her niece there. Samantha is one of my favorites here on YouTube, so it was always fun to see her. And we just had so much fun. So we had 6 of us in one room. I feel like it was just a really fun weekend. We had so many amazing things we did. We did a little meet and greet where we got to meet some of you guys in the park, which was so much fun. We did Covergirl. We got to do the Ipsy event. We just did a lot of little activities, and it was just such a fun weekend. I'm so glad I got to go. And I really just left the weekend feeling very inspired, feeling a lot of like togetherness in my community. I seen a ton of different other creators who I love so much, and it was just nice to just feel that. And I feel like every time I come back from one of these events, I just have such a spurt of like, I want to do everything, because you just really feel inspired. So I'm really glad I got to go. But that is a little bit about the event, and then let's go ahead and start with the products that I got. So none of this is organized, so it's kind of going to be a little bit all over the place. I'll just pull stuff as I go. So Ofra was actually super sweet, and they gave us their new holiday collection. So I think there's quite a few parts to this, but here's a couple of the bundles. So this one here is one that has a flex stick, which is one of my favorite lip glosses from them. It also has a blush, and then we also have a makeup fixer in here as well. And then in this one is the Fireside Hotties. So this one here is just some liquid lipsticks from them. Super cute little bundles that they have here for Christmas time. So ColourPop actually had something in the gift bag as well. I don't remember seeing this palette. We like opened this at the hotel and we were kind of like, do you remember this palette? So this is the Renovus palette. And I'll go ahead and show you guys the inside. It's actually really cute. I don't remember seeing when this came out, but it's a really pretty palette. I love ColourPop's formula. So this is super cute. I'm excited to have that one. Also the brand SoE, they gave us a ton of stuff. So here is this little bundle here. I think that this one was in the Creator Day bag. And then they also let us pick out quite a few masks out of their booth too. A sweet pink bubble mask, one of their unicorn glows, a brightening gel, one of their lip ones, and then the cactus soothing gel mask. That one sounds really good too. And then this is one of the ones I picked out. This is the hydration sensor mask. So really fun to get a lot of masks from that brand. I do really like them. So here are the other ones I got. I got the red wine anti-aging, and then they had hair masks, which I think are new to them. So these are the honey avocado intensive hair masks. They gave me a few of those. So Briogeo was also there. They gave us this little sample of their matcha apple shampoo, and then also the kale apple conditioner. So I'm excited to try that. From the brand When, we have a fragrance. I actually haven't smelled this yet, but it's the Faith by Chaz as Jean, so just like a fragrance here. Grabbing out some more goodies, we got a lip topper from Pure. This one is in the shade Queen. I also have from PEICE one of their Endless Silky Eye Pens. This looks like a really pretty like pink champagne color. So this one here, this is from a brand that I haven't heard of before. This is from Huda. I hope I'm saying that right. It's an extra mild lotion. Quite a few brands who were new to me. This is another skincare brand. This is Urban Jive Anti-Aging Serum. The balm was at the booth and they were letting us pick one of these palettes, which you guys know I already have a review up on these, but these are the Petal to the Metal palettes. So let me pick one of the two. So I went ahead and grabbed the Overdrive one. I grabbed this for a giveaway for you guys. Also, Pure Lisse was there, and they had my favorite makeup wipes in the bag. These are the energizing makeup wipes. I adore these, the watermelon ones. They are so good. They remove your makeup so nicely. So I was really excited to have an extra one of those because I've almost went through my entire pack of them. So some more goodies from Ofra. We have the Snuggle Up bundle right here, and then also the Hot Cocoa. So these have highlights inside of them. Here are the two. These are, again, part of the holiday collection. And then also we have their Foaming Vitamin C Cleanser here as well. From Ciate, we have the Glow 2 highlighter, just like a little mini highlights. From Sweet Chef, we have some of their little masks. They give me some of these like little serum samples here. And then this is their Beet and Vitamin A Pressed Sheet Mask right here. Moda Brushes was there. You guys know how much I love Moda. So they gave us the 4-piece Perfecting Kit. This one is part of their Prismatic line. I love these paddle brushes, are so good. From Kabucha, this is their 11% AHA Exfoliating Toner. And then we also have this one from High. This is their High Expectations Cannabis Facial Oil. We have up next, this one is CBD and Manuka Honey. I think this is a soap. So this is a cleansing body bar from this brand right here. And then we also have Eva NYC. I love this stuff. This is their Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. I love this for using it before you like heat style your hair. It also really helps with detangling your hair. We have another one of those things from Sweet Chef. This one is their Superfood Vitamin Moisturizing Boost. And then from Mamade, we have the Calming Hydro Sleeping Mask. This one looks like it got a little bit beat up there in my suitcase. And then from The Ordinary, I actually went to their store when we were there with Kelly, and she was telling me how much she loved this. So it's called the Buffet, and it's a peptide serum, and she was saying how great it's been for her skin. So I went ahead and grabbed this one because she showed me her before and after pictures, you guys, and it was so good. So I'm excited to try this one out. So it's just a serum. So from the balm, we have the Meet Matte Hues Nude Set. I love this formula, so that is awesome to have a bunch of nudes from them. And then from Pure Lisse, we have their Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Primer. This one is from Thien, and this is their Oatmeal Face Scrub. I'm excited about this. So this is from Babe Lash. This is an indulgence kit. So they gave us this that has one of their mini serums. And the girl was actually showing us her results with these. So it's a lash serum, and her results were really, really good. So I'm curious to go ahead and give this a try. It looks like it's just in like a little bundle here. From Graphene, this is the black powder sheet mask. So a purifying sheet mask. And then another thing from the Snowden collection from Ofra, we have this highlighting palette. I want to open this because I've seen it on display there. Oh my God, you guys, it's so pretty. It's just a bunch of mini highlights. I love, look at how cute this is. So look at all of these mini highlights. So, so cute. I love their highlights, and I love that they're mini. So it has Star Island, Rodeo Drive, Bali, Pillow Talk, and Blissful. So like all of the favorite Ofra's highlights all in one compact. So this was really cool to get from Ricky Loves Ricky. This is a mirror. So this one here is their full-size wearable light up mirror. So this one looks like it kind of has like a bit of a stamp, with these cute little hearts, and then it has lights on it as well. I know this was pretty heavy in the suitcase too, so that was really fun to get in there. From Pathology, we have their Mood Patch Tea Infused Eye Gels. I love using these, so we have a whole set of those. We have this bag here. This is from 111 Skin. I'm not exactly sure what all came inside of here, so let me open this up. So inside of the bag, we have their Cyro ATP Sports Booster. So this is a booster. I'm not exactly sure what this is. I'll have to read into this. And then we also have inside of here, it looks like some masks. So these ones here are some eye puffing masks. There's like 3 of those in here. I actually really like this bag. It's a nice size. I really like the blue color of it. Super cute. So also from Babe Lash, we got in the bag. The other thing was the girl at the booth was handing those out, but this one here is a full size of their lash serum. So I'll definitely be giving that a try and let you guys know what I think of that. I somehow lost the cap on this one, which I'm glad that it didn't explode everywhere. This is from Eva NYC, and it's their Main Magic 10-in-1 Styling Hair Mousse. From PEICE, we have one of their Endless Shade sticks. So this is an eyeshadow stick. And then from Ciate London, we have one of their Glitter Storm lipsticks. Ooh, a metallic glitter lipstick. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. Ooh, the packaging is pretty. Look at how sparkly this packaging is. Ooh, and then like a glitter lipstick. That's really fun. Okay, and then I put these in the plastic here so they wouldn't disrupt my bag, which it looks like they survived, so that's exciting. So these are from Nature Lab. So they gave us some of their Shine, Perfect Shine shampoo, and then also a conditioner as well. And I got a couple of samples of these, but I've never tried, like fully tried them. So I'm excited to have 2 full size, and I love this packaging. I just think it's so fun. I love that they have a pump as well. From the brand Yensa, which is a sister brand to Pure Lease, we have their pumpkin turmeric in here. And then from Sweet Chef, we have their ginger vitamin C serum shot. And then also from them, it looks like we have their ginger kombucha vitamin C chill mist as well. And then the full size of, also from Sweet Chef, the Superfood Vitamins Moisture Boost as well. This one is from Perfectly Posh. It's the Pick Up Lines Supercharge Firming Cocktail. So an anti-aging eye cream in here. It's actually a cool packaging for that. This one is from Nelson Beverly Hills. It's a moisture healing mask. So many new brands I feel like that I've never heard of that I'm really excited to give a try. And then this one is from Cannabis Organic. This is the foaming cleanser here. And then from IBY Beauty, we have a palette. This one here is the Ocean Awakening. Let's open this and see what this one looks like. This is really pretty, so it has a lot of really fun, just like bright blue shades in here. Really gorgeous. I do like their formula. I've tried it before. I think it's really good. Okay, and then from Morphe, we actually got the 30 or the 25A palette. This is the Copper Spice. Looks like mine also got kind of beat up. It's a little bit rough looking, so hopefully we didn't break any of the shades. Nope, we didn't. So this is just like a neutral toned palette right here. Lots of brown tones and copper shades. Okay, next from Enable Skincare, this is their Magnetic Dead Sea Mud Mask. Ooh, that's kind of fun, a magnetic mask. We also have in here another palette. This one is from Pure. This is the Be Your Selfie palette. That is so funny, you guys. It's actually sticking. There was a magnet. I was like, why is this pulling up so hard? So the magnet's actually on the bottom here. So it's sticking to the suitcase. That is hilarious. From Sol de Janeiro, they gave us a full-size Bum Bum Cream. And then we also have, this one is from Nature Lab. It's their Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. Ooh, that sounds good. It says it's color safe. And then at the Briogeo booth, they were actually having us pick some items for a smoothie. So I think this should be still good. I picked coconut and banana, I think, in mine. So they said just to add milk to this and it can turn it into a smoothie. So I went ahead and brought that home. And then from Apto Skincare, I got the Antioxidant Mask. And then from Pop Beauty, I have one of their Pout on Point lip liners. From Briogeo, we also got the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Hair Cap System. I love this mask, but I've never tried like this system. So it seems like you apply an actual hair mask, which sounds really nice. And then up next from Koki, we have the Kissable Liquid Lipstick in this fun pink shade. And then from Pixie, we have another little lip balm here. And then we actually went to the Bite Beauty Lab and we got to make our own lipsticks there, which was so fun. So this one here is the box for that. I actually don't have my lipstick with me. It's in my purse, but I got to make a lipstick. It's actually a nude. I got to pick a nude. So that was really fun to get to customize my own lipstick shade. All right, we are down to the final 3 items. So I got from Neon & Co. the Frizz Fighter. From Derma E, we have their Vitamin C Concentrated Serum. And then the last thing is from Opto Skincare, and we have a face mist. There was a few other items that I did get that I did leave behind. I always do that when I go, like leave a few items behind for the housekeeper. But for the most part, That was a lot of makeup, you guys. That was a lot of stuff. So be sure to stay on the lookout for a giveaway coming soon because I can't possibly keep all this for myself. That is way too much makeup. But a big thank you to Ipsy for having me at your event. I had the best time ever. So great, like I said, to see so many different creators, to meet some of you guys. It was really just a fun experience. I'm glad I didn't skip out this year. I really was on the fence about going or not with being pregnant, but I'm glad I made the trip. It was such a fun time. So comment down below what you guys think of this makeup haul. Did you enjoy seeing everything in it? Comment if you've ever been to an Ipsy event or if you're planning on going to one. I definitely recommend them. They're always such a fun time. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give this one a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye friends.